guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Larissa Nicolette, and today I'm going to show you turning into a tree look. So I just have my basic face makeup on right now, and I'm just going to go with this face paint. This brand is Wolf. I found it at Michael's. You can go with any brown color you want. Just remember, we're trying to look like a tree. So I'm just going to add a little bit to my cheek, my neck, and my forehead. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to be going in with other colors. The next thing I'm going to do is go in with this green color. This is also a palette from Wolf. I got at Michael's also. Again, just use any green color you'd like. We're just trying to add a little bit of dimension to this. Then I went in with a yellowy brown color and added some more dimension. Then I went back in with that brown color to blend it all in and do some shading. Okay, now I'm going to take this black color and start doing some lines to make it look more like tree bark. Add some knots here and there. Try not to make anything look too straight or too perfect. Just have fun with it. Then I went back in with that dark brown color and just outlined the black to give it more depth. Okay, while all that dries, let's start with our eyes. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just going to go in with the color Raw Sienna and highlight my brow bone. Then I'm going to use this pretty green color from Bare Minerals. It's called Soiree, and I'm going to dust that right under the brow bone. Okay, back into the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to take the color Cypress Umber and I'm just going to blend that into my crease. Then I took the color Love Letter and blended it right to the center. I used the Urban Decay setting spray to wet my brush and used some more of that green to blend on my bottom lashes. Then I used that color Love Letter again and I added that to the middle of my bottom lashes. Then I used Urban Decay's 24/7 eyeliner pencil to line my upper and lower lash line. I used the NARS gel liner in Black Valley to smoke out that top lash line. And for lashes, I'm using Lily Lashes in Goddess. Okay, let's finish up the tree. I got this bag of moss at Michael's and I also got this adhesive at Michael's. I'm just going to paint a little bit of that glue on and then add some moss. I like to tear the moss into different sections, let it hang a little bit, make it look more natural. I also got this roll of sticks at Michael's. I'm just going to tear little pieces off and add them to my piece. Try to hide the end of the stick underneath the moss so it looks more like it's growing right out of your face. Okay, let's finish with those lips. I'm going to go in with the NYX Liquid Suede in Tea and Cookies. Then to finish it off, I'm going to use the Huda Lip Strobe in the color Snobby right into the center. And that's it, guys. Here's my finished look. If you like my channel and you want to see more, please subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram.